Animals are full of surprises, from creatures that can regrow limbs to others that sleep standing up, and even some that can die from fear. In this video, we've gathered the strangest, smartest, and most shocking animal facts you've probably never heard before. Whether they live in the sky, the ocean, or your backyard, every animal has a secret. Let's dive into the wildest facts from the animal kingdom. Rabbits may look calm and fluffy, but beneath the surface, they're one of the most easily frightened animals on Earth. Their survival in the wild depends on constant alertness. They're prey animals, always scanning for danger. But here's the surprising part. A rabbit can actually die from fear. When a rabbit feels sudden panic, like hearing a loud noise, being picked up too fast, or sensing a predator, its heart rate skyrockets. In extreme cases, the shock is so intense it triggers cardiac arrest. Yes, a healthy rabbit can collapse and die, just from being scared. This is why handling pet rabbits gently is so important. They need calm voices, slow movements, and a stress-free environment. Even a barking dog or loud TV can overwhelm them. What looks like a relaxed ball of fluff is actually a fragile, sensitive creature, hardwired to react to every sound, shadow, or movement. So the next time you see a rabbit, remember, its greatest danger isn't just predators, it's fear itself. Can fish drown? Surprisingly, yes. Fish don't breathe air, but they still need oxygen, dissolved in water. Their gills extract that oxygen, kind of like lungs filter air. But if the water has too little oxygen, like in polluted lakes or overcrowded tanks, the fish can't breathe, and they suffocate. It's not drowning in the human way. But the result is the same. Fish can drown in water that's too dirty to support life. Did you know hummingbirds can fly backward? They're the only birds in the world with that superpower. Thanks to their unique wing shape and muscle control, hummingbirds can move forward, backward, sideways, and even hover in place. Their wings flap up to 80 times per second, creating lift on both the upstroke and downstroke. It's like nature's version of a helicopter, but with feathers and speed. They may be tiny, but their flying skills are unmatched. Meet the mud skipper, a fish that lives on land. Yes, it's a real fish, but it walks, hops, and climbs out of water. Mud skippers use their front fins like legs, pushing themselves across muddy shores. They even breathe through their skin and mouth, as long as they stay moist. These little creatures can spend hours on land, living in burrows and mudflats. It's a fish that forgot how to swim and learned to walk instead. Ever heard of an animal that throws its own organs to survive? Meet the sea cucumber. When it's attacked, this soft ocean creature does something wild. It ejects its intestines right out of its body. The guts confuse or scare off predators, giving the cucumber a chance to escape. It's messy, but effective. And don't worry, it can grow its organs back in a few weeks. Now that's next-level self-defense. Did you know frogs can breathe through their skin? It's true! Frogs don't rely only on lungs like humans do. They have a special ability called cutaneous respiration. That means oxygen passes directly through their moist skin. When they're underwater or resting, this skin breathing becomes their main way to absorb oxygen. That's why frogs need to stay moist. If their skin dries out, they can't breathe properly. So next time you see a frog, remember, it's not just breathing with lungs, its whole skin is working too. Nature is amazing, right? Did you know spiders don't chew their food? They drink it. Sounds weird, right? But here's how it works. Spiders inject digestive enzymes into their prey. Basically, they liquefy it from the inside. Then they slurp up the soft, soupy insides like a milkshake. No chewing, no crunching, just pure spider-style sipping. Some spiders even wrap their food in silk first to soften it more, like a creepy burrito. And those fangs? They're called chelicerae, perfect for stabbing, not chewing. So next time you see a spider enjoying dinner, remember, it's not eating, it's drinking its victim's guts. Did you know earthworms have 5 hearts? Well, kind of. They don't have a heart like ours. Instead, they have 5 aortic arches, tube-shaped pumps that work together to circulate blood. These arches wrap around the worm's esophagus and contract, rhythmically, just like a heartbeat. It helps keep blood moving through their long, segmented bodies. That's how a tiny, boneless worm can survive and dig through soil so efficiently. 5 hearts, no eyes, no bones. Earthworms are simple but amazing.
This animal has giant eyes, but here's the twist. It can't move them at all. Meet the Tarscia, a tiny primate from Southeast Asia. Its eyes are each as big as its brain, perfect for night vision. But they're locked in place, no eye movement. So how does it look around? It rotates its entire head, up to 180 degrees like an owl. When your eyes don't move, just turn your head. Problem solved Tarscia style.
A giraffe's neck can be over 6 feet long, but it's not just for reaching tall trees. Scientists believe long necks help male giraffes fight. They swing their necks like hammers in a battle called necking. Longer, stronger necks mean better chances of winning and mating. So yeah, giraffes evolved tall for love and lunch. Which animal fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more wild knowledge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.